In this video, I'll show you how to list an NFT for sale on Opensea. First, open your web browser and go to the Opensea website. Click Login, then connect your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or another supported wallet. Now, once your wallet is connected, click your profile icon and open the Collected tab. Select the NFT you want to sell to open its details page. Next, click the List button. Enter the price you want to sell your NFT for, then choose whether you want a fixed price listing or another available sale option if it's supported. After that, set the listing duration by choosing how long you want the NFT to remain available for sale. Review the marketplace fees and royalties before continuing. Now, click Complete Listing. Your wallet will open and ask you to approve or sign the transaction. Depending on the blockchain you're using, you may also need to pay a network fee. Finally, wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Once it's complete, your NFT will be listed for sale on Opensea, and you can manage or cancel the listing at any time from your profile. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to list an NFT for sale on Opensea. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.